This is LetPot LPH-Max, the world's first 4-in-1 automated smart hydroponic garden. You used to spend a lot of time preparing nutrients or watering your hydroponic garden again and again. But now, all you need is an LPH-Max. Pouring the nutrients in and connecting to an external water tank, LetPot LPH-Max can add water and nutrients by itself. You can check the remaining water and nutrients on LetPot app and screen, and also control it via Alexa. Hey Alexa, turn on the LetPot. From now, you don't have to worry about your garden anymore, because LPH-Max does everything automatically and takes good care of your plants. You can enjoy your breakfast, focus on work, even take long-term business trips. LetPot LPH-Max has a large water tank that holds 7.5 liters of water to keep your hydroponic garden hydrated for up to a month. Isn't enough? Easy. Just open the auto mode. Max knows when water is running low with its built-in water level sensor. It will fill water from an external tank automatically, supplementing with a proportion of liquid nutrients. Besides, the auto-cycling pump mixes nutrients and water well to provide sufficient oxygen and nutrition for the growth of roots underneath. What's more, Max has 2 planting modes: vegetables, herbs, and fruits, flowers, which allows you to grow 21 plants at the same time. LPH-Max features a 9-level adjustable LED light system that simulates sunlight, plus a 19-inch retractable rod, providing sufficient light and room for your plants. Even without a backyard, you can grow and harvest fresh ingredients all year round at home without worrying about the weather or season. This is LPH-Max, the new generation of smart hydroponic gardens. So far, LetPot has started the pre-production stage of LPH-Max. We will ship them within a month after crowdfunding. Don't miss out. Be the first to get your hydroponic garden at the best price ever. Come on, let's pot it!